So those problem will finish, and then we'll, if time left, then we'll solve our problem based on exams. What kind of questions they are asking in your exam? 2 or 3 marks question will solve them. Okay, let's continue with yesterday's what's problem. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
the screen is not visible. My screen, see, it is coming blurred. Shall I log in again?
Yeah, you can, because just now we had one lecture. We had very. You can log off and log in again.
Okay.
Neelam ma'am, are you able to?
Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Yes. Yeah. Yes, students.
Yes, it is clear.
So today we are going to start with this word problem. A question is the parameter, this kind of problem we have solved yesterday based on triangle. Okay. So we are going to see the next problem based on this. They are asking you the parameter of a rectangle. The parameter of a rectangle is 60 centimeter. Take x as a breadth and express the length in term of x. If the area of a rectangle is 216 centimeter, find the value of x. Okay, this is your question. So, what is your first step? First, you need to understand what the question is trying to ask you. You need to decode this language into your mathematical term. How you'll do? How you'll do, students? The parameter of a rectangle, the length and the breadth of the rectangle is given as x. So, solution. Let the breadth of rectangle be x. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x. Let the breadth of rectangle be x. Okay. The perimeter of rectangle, I hope you all knows the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle, because they are asking you to find the perimeter of rectangle. Huh? Perimeter of rectangle. What I said the formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So 2 into length, but breadth is given as x. Yes. Length plus x. Length plus x is equal to how much it is given? How much it is given? It is given 60. So you will get your length. How you will get length? When 60 will get divided by 2, what you will get? When you will divide 60 by 2, you will get your 30. And when x will go to the left hand side, it will minus. It will get minus. So 30 minus x. 30 minus x is your length. Now, the area of rectangle. What they are telling you to find? If the area of rectangle they are telling you, if the area of rectangle ka value is already given, that is 216, they need to find you the value of x. They need to find you the value of x, that is the value of breadth, length and breadth. They are asking you to find. Okay. So what is your next step? Next step will be area of rectangle. The formula I think you all know. The area of rectangle, that is length, into breadth. Area of a rectangle. What's the formula I said, student? That is into breadth. Okay. The area is already given. Area of rectangle is given to you all. That is 216. 216. It is given. 216. Area of rectangle is already given to you all. This is given. Okay. Now, the next step. The next step will be the length is given. The length we have seen the what is 30 minus x. 30 minus x. Okay. And breadth, what is breadth? What is breadth? Breadth is your x. When it will come to the left hand side, it will get added, that is 216. Now you can make this into a quadratic equation. You will say, yes, ma'am, we'll multiply this x to this bracket and we'll make it into quadratic equation. That is 30 into x will be 30x, and x into x will be x square. So it will become in your standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First I'll write x into x, that is x square. X here is plus, when it will come to this side it will become minus, that is 30x. It will be as it is 216 is equal to 0. This much is clear to you all? Okay. Now your next step, you need to find the factor of 216. You need to find the factor of 216, which will give you minus 30. What will be your factor? What will be your factor? I hope you all are expert now how to find a factor. Yes. Therefore, x square, okay, 18 12s are 18 12s and 18 plus 12. 18 12s are 216 and 18 plus 12 is 30. 18x minus 12x plus 216 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x minus 18 is your one root, and the another root will be minus 12 x minus 18 is your another root. You need to find the two roots. You got x minus 18 and the another one is x minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 18 or x is equal to 12. Okay. You got the two values of x. They told the length and the breadth of a rectangle. So one will be length and one will be breadth. But here you can't say that this is my length and this is my breadth. It can interchange. It can interchange. So your final statement, what you'll write? Therefore, final statement. This statement carry 1 mark, student. Never ever forget to write this statement in your board exam. If breadth is, if I'll considering x 18, if breadth is 18 centimeter, the length is this 12. If I consider this as my length, this will become breadth. In the another way, if I consider 12 as a breadth, 18 will become my length. Vice versa. And if breadth is 12 centimeter, the length is 18 centimeter. Student, this statement carry 1 marks. I hope this sum is clear to you all. You all are getting hold on how to solve a word problem? Yes, students? I hope this is done. No doubt in this? Okay. We'll move to question number 10. Okay. Question number 10. A woman is 6 times as old as her son. 2 years ago, the product of their ages was 84. Find their present age. This question based on ages. Previously, we solved the two problem based on ages. Okay, so this is the third problem. How to solve it? Let the son's present age will be X. We have to consider it. Solution. Let the son's present age, how much? Be X, because we don't know. Is X years? Okay. His mother's present age, the woman is 6 times as old as her son. The 6 times as old as her son. I always told you to pick up the keywords. In your word problem, you need to pick up the keywords. And accordingly, you'll get your equation. His mother's present age as old as her son. The son is X, 6 times, then it will become 6X. Clear? Okay. So according to these two conditions, according to this condition, what I'll get? 2 years ago, the product of their ages is 84. 2 years ago. Okay. This is their present age. This is their present age. But 2 years ago, their product of their ages was 84. Okay. 2 years ago, the product of their ages is 84. So what you'll write? What you'll write? X, it is your present, but 2 years ago, it will be X minus 2. Yes, 2 years ago, na? Okay. And 6X, this her mother's age at present is 6X. But 2 years ago, it will be 6X minus 2. How much it is given? It is given 84. I hope till here everything is clear. See, this much you have written. If in your exam, this much you have written, you will get 1 marks. You'll get 1 marks. And if you get this much, and if you have written, you understood this much, the rest part you'll solve easily, very easily, because I hope you all are very much expert after this. After this, you understand how to make a quadratic equation and how to find a factors, and you will get your 2 roots. That's your answer. The negative value you won't be take as in case of ages, because ages are never in negative. Everything is solved, everything is easy. Words problem is not a big problem. Once you understand the statement, it is very, very easy. Everything is hidden in this statement. Okay. So the next step is you need to solve this bracket. You need to solve this bracket. I hope you all know how to solve it. Yes. How to solve it? X into 6x minus 2, then minus 2 into 6x minus 2. What you'll get? X into 6x, that is 6x square, minus 2 into 6x. What you'll get? Minus 12x. Yes. The next is minus 2 no, minus x into 6 minus 6x minus x into 2. This is your minus 2x. Okay. And then minus 2 into 12, it will be your 12x. Minus 2 into minus 2, it will be your 4. Okay. Afterwards, this 6x will be as it is. Minus 2 into minus 12, it will become minus 14x. This will be as it is. Minus 4. When this will come to the right hand side, it will become plus 84. This will be minus. What you will get? 6x square minus 14x. Okay. Minus 4 plus 84. What you'll get? You'll get minus 80. Yes, minus 80 is equal to 0. Now this whole equation, what I told you all, you to make your calculation easy, you can divide this. You can divide this equation by any of the number it is divisible by. Okay. So you will say, ma'am, this is divisible by 2. I'll say yes. Every numbers can be divided by 2. Then dividing by 2. What I'll get? Dividing by 2. 2 3s are, this is your 3x square. 2 7s are minus 7x minus 40 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Now the next step to find a factor.
हेलो मिस
हाँ हाँ
मिस यहाँ -4 + 84 + 80 होगा ना
which one?
इधर 6x square minus 14x minus 80.
This is minus na. When it will come to the right hand side, it will become minus na. I have taken here wrong. This is minus.
Yeah.
Okay. Then 3x square minus 7x minus 40. What will be the factor? What will be your factor? 3 into minus 40. You will get minus 20. Huh? Minus 120. Minus 120 ka factor, which will give you 7x. What is that? 120. You will say, ma'am, 15 into 8. 15 8s are 120. I'll say yes. 15 minus, you will get 7. Yes. Yes, students. Is it right? Is it right? What we have to do? First, we have to multiply this 3 by minus 4 minus 40. What you will get? I hope this everyone knows. Minus 40 into 3. How much you get? You get 120 minus 120. How you find the factor of 120? How will you find the factor of 120? You will see the what? Multiple of this, which will give you 7x. You will say, ma'am, yes, it is 15 into 8. I'll say yes, 15 into 8. But what is there? Minus. So after subtracting, you should get minus 7. Yes, you are getting 7 minus 7. So this is your factor 15 into 8, isn't it? So how you will write? This is your 3x square minus 15x plus 8x minus 40 is equal to 0. Yes. Now from this you will take out common. You will take 3 x minus 5. Okay. Here plus 8 x minus 5 is equal to 0. You got your two roots. 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 5 will be your one root, or x is equal to what you will get? What you will get? This is plus and it will become in minus, minus 8 by 3. But you will say, ma'am, minus 8 by 3 is not acceptable because it is in negative and the edges, we can't take edges into negative. Is not acceptable. So the present age of sun will be, therefore the present age of sun will be the present age of sun, how much is 5 years. Okay, and the present age of mother is 6x, so 6 into 5 will be 30. The present age of the mother is 6x, that is 6 into 5, this will be your 30 years. I hope no problem till here. Everything is clear. Yes, students. Any doubt? Roshan? Roshan? Yes? Yes, Roshan. Unmute yourself.
हेलो टीचर।
Yes.
टीचर आप भी समझाते हैं ना, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा समझ आता है अभी भी।
Thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, so you are able to solve now word problem. Word problem आप solve कर सकते हैं? चलो.
Yes miss, it is very easy.
Very easy, na? Very good. At least you can write this statement, you will get 1 marks. This part you have to write from your question itself, you will get 1 marks. And this everyone know how to factorize, how to make an equation. So 4 marks are there in your hand, you will get 4 marks very easily. Chalo. Then let's move to our question number 11. Question number 11. This question is there in your textbook. There is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Rao. The length of the rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meters, and the diagonal is more than the length by 1 meter. Find the length and the breadth of the storehouse. Okay. Here what they are saying, similarly we have solved the problem based on rectangle. Udhar wo rectangle pe what they have said the perimeter. Perimeter is given and they told you to find the length and the breadth. Okay, they told you to find the length and the breadth. See, similar kind, this is also your textual question and that was your board exam question. ठीक है, वो आपका board का question था. The question, this is your solved in your textbook. Similar, everything is similar, only perimeter has been removed and it was given storehouse. ठीक है, storehouse दे दिया है. ठीक है, तो चलो, we'll see. Very easy, very easy. There is a rectangular storehouse in a farm of Mr. Roy. उसका length कितना है? The length of a rectangular is more than its breadth by 7 centimeter. Okay. बेस से 7 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा. आंचल सतीश. Yes. Anshul, you're raising your hand. You have any doubt? Anshul? Anshul, you can ask your doubt. Let's think of the storehouse BX X meters, BX meters. So therefore, the length is, it is given, the length of a rectangle is more than its breadth by 7 meters. So breadth kitna hai? It is x, but the length is 7 more. So length kitna ho jayega? That is, length kitna ho jayega? X plus 7 meter. Okay, like, and the diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. What do you mean by diagonal, class? Diagonal क्या होता है? I hope my all students know what is diagonal. See, suppose this is my rectangle. This is my rectangle. If I draw a line here, it will divide my rectangle into two equal parts. So this will be my diagonal. What? This will be my diagonal. Okay? Okay, this is my diagonal. Everyone knows what is diagonal? ठीक. Therefore, the diagonal is, how much it is given? Diagonal is 1 more. What is 1 more than by length? Length say 1 more hai. So length is your x plus 7. Length is your x plus 7. Then what it will become? X plus 7 plus 1. So you will get x plus 8 meters. Okay. Now, see, this is your right angle. Now you will say, ma'am, this is my right angle triangle. You have studied in your 9th standard right angle triangle hai. Then you are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This kind of problem also we have solved. Huh? Like a triangle mein diya tha, base and altitude is given. Base and altitude is given, hypotenuse. Can you remember that sum? Can you remember that sum? Similar kind of sums we are going to solve. See, the breadth is given, the length is given, the diagonal. What you are going to do? By using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. What is your Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. That is, what is there? X. तो क्या हो जाएगा? X square plus length is x plus 7. तो x plus 7 square. Huh? And diagonal. This diagonal is given to you all. क्या है diagonal? That is x plus 8 square. X plus 8 square. Okay. Therefore, x square plus x plus 7, a plus b. a plus b the whole square का formula apply करते. That is a square plus 2ab plus b the whole square. How you write? A square means x square plus 14x plus 7 sevens are 49. X square plus 14x plus 49. Okay. Now here also a plus b the whole square ka formula, that is x square plus 16x plus 8 8s are 64. Now you are going to make it into your quadratic equation के form में. कैसे? The like terms you are going to collect it on a one side. Like term जैसे x square और ये x है, इसको एक साइड में लाएंगे. x square plus x square 2x square minus x square, it will become x square. This is clear? Okay, 14x minus 16x, 14x minus 16x, what you will get? Minus 2x. 49 minus 64, 49 minus 64, you will get minus 15 is equal to 0. Now this is your standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, it is in standard form. Now your step will be repeating. ये common. अभी इसके बाद everything is same. Factorize it. You will get 2 root. You will get 2 root and you'll get your answer. ठीक है? Minus 15 का factor you are going to find. Minus 15 का factor which will give you minus 2. How you are going to do? You will say, ma'am, 15 threes are. I'll say yes, 15 threes are. 5 threes are. 5 minus 3, you will get 2. Yes. Okay, we'll solve here. Okay. X square. You say no, 5 threes are 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, what common I'll take? X minus 5 plus 3 x minus 5 is equal to 0. You got your 2 root. One is x minus 5 and the another one is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is your 2 root. X minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is your 2 root. One will be x plus 5 or x is equal to minus 3. But here also our condition is same. Minus 3 is not acceptable because length and breadth are never be in negative term. Not acceptable. Because it is in negative. But the length can never be negative. So x can never be equal to minus 3. Huh? So the length of a storehouse will be, one will be x is equal to 5, another will be x plus 7 means 5 plus 7 that is 12. You got your answer. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and x plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So you got the answer. Therefore, the length of the base of storehouse is, what is that? 12 meter and breadth is 5 meter. See student, here you can state the length and breadth, but in your previous sum it was not given. You were not sure what was length and what was breadth. To clear that sum, I have taken this your textbook ka sum. Okay? Here you can clearly mention that my length, what is my length and what is my breadth. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. This is clear? Any doubt till here? We'll take next sum. Okay. See, I told you all there will be a problem based on boat and stream, downstream, upward stream. The problem based on train, the problem based on work and wages, the problem based on ages, the problem based on your geometrical formula like length, breadth, and triangle, square. Okay, all those we have solved. Only we are left with this boats wala speed, train, and work. So we'll see the 3 sums. Okay. Read the question. Pratik travel by boat 36 kilometer downstream and back in 8 hours. ठीक है? Back in 8 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the water current. Find the speed of the water current. I hope the concept of this speed and boat is clear to you all. This was there in your 8th standard. Yes, student, this is there in your 8th standard. 8th standard mein you have studied this. Chalo. The speed of the boat in still water, how much it is given? Still water. Still water, it is given as 12 kilometer per hour. ठीक है. So write the statement. The speed of the boat in still water. How much it was? In still water, it was given 12 kilometer per hour. ठीक है? Then let the speed of the water current be x kilometer per hour. Water current. ठीक है? Now boat का दिया है. ठीक है? Water current. Water की speed से flow हो रहा है. That is x kilometer we are assuming. Let the speed of the water current be x kilometer per hour. ठीक है? So then the speed of the boat downstream में है तो 12 plus x होता है, and if upward speed it is 12 minus x, because if it is in upward speed it is in opposite direction. That's why it will be, see, train के time में when it is in same direction, what we take when the man and the trains are in same direction, we take minus or plus. Yes, class. Any of my students knows this concept of train? The train is going in which direction? The same direction if man is traveling. Then what you will take? You will take plus or minus. और in opposite direction में रहता है तो कि plus लेते कि minus. चलो, we'll see that later on. First we'll complete this. ठीक है? The let speed of the water current be x kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the boat downstream, it was given downstream. दो होगा, एक बार downstream होगा, एक बार upstream होगा. ठीक है? Then the speed of the boat to the downstream. Downstream will be, that is 12 plus x kilometer per hour. When it will be in upstream, तो क्या होगा? In upstream, what it will become? 12 minus x. ठीक है? From the given condition, but the speed of the boat, it is constant, that is 36 kilometer per hour for both downstream as well as upstream. दोनों के लिए constant है, that is 36 kilometer per hour. So from the given condition, as 36 is constant for a downstream as well as for the upstream, you will take 12 plus x plus 36, 12 minus x. How much it is given? How much it is given? Downstream and upstream कितने hours में back होते हैं? That is 8 hours. That is 8 hours. Now everything is done. Just cross multiply, make it into quadratic form, solve it. You will get 2 factor and your question is done. Only you need to understand this part. Okay? Now cross multiply it. Cross multiply. What you will get? 36 into 12 minus x. Therefore 36, 12 minus x plus this will be 36, 12 plus x. 36, 12 plus x. And this all term will get multiplied by 8. 8 से multiply हो जाएगा. Is equal to 8, 12 plus x and 12 minus x. Okay? What you will get then? Finally, what you will get? See, you will solve this, you will solve this plus this. After solving these all things, I think you all are able to solve. 36 into 12 minus 36x, 36 into 12 plus 36x. See this bracket. I'm writing directly, because we are left with less time. Okay. Okay. So 36 into 24, okay, is equal to 8. 12 12s are 144 minus x square. Okay. After solving this bracket, I got this. Therefore, 36 into 3 is equal to 144 minus x square. Why? Dividing both by 8. Dividing both by 8. Okay. Here I'll write dividing by 8. दोनों इक्वेशन को 8 से डिवाइड किया. Okay. Now 36 into 3. 36 into 3, what you will get? 108. 6 3s are 18. 8 carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. That is 108. Okay. This is your 144 minus x square. Okay. Now bring x square to the left hand side. That is 144 minus 108. Priya. Yes, Priya. X square is equal to minus it. What you will get? You will get 144 minus 108. You will get 36. Yes, 36. Therefore, x का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा? That is, ये किसका स्क्वायर है? 6 का प्लस और माइनस taking square root. What I have taken here? Taking square root. Yes, students, you are raising your hand. You can ask your question. I need to finish this question fast. Those who are raising your hand, unmute yourself and ask your doubt. ठीक है? The speed cannot be negative. Negative नहीं हो सकता, तो एक value -6 cancel हो जाएगी. You will get x is equal to 6. Ask your doubt. So the speed of the water current you got. The speed of the water current. How much? 6 kilometer per hour. Yes. Unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
मिस नीचे का स्टेप है ना 36 ब्रैकेट 12 माइनस एक्स.
हाँ.
उसके
वाला?
नीचे उधर का स्टेप समझाओ ना।
ये सॉल्व करो इसको।
हाँ मिस समझाओ।
जस्ट अ सेकंड।
मिस
हाँ
मिस हम लोग
yes,
ने 8 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया होल को?
अरे दिस ऑल विल गो हियर ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना।
यस मिस।
देखो इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर अभी इधर भी तो करना रहेगा। सारा ये जो टर्म है ना इधर चला जाएगा और ये सब इससे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा।
ओके मिस।
ओके, ये सॉल्व
Yes,
करके
sir.
दिखाओ 36 वाला। देखो ये इधर गया 36, 12 माइनस एक्स, ठीक है, फिर ये प्लस 36, ये क्या है 12 प्लस एक्स। ये बोल रहा है ना, सॉल्व करके दिखाओ। दिस वन यू वांट ना, कैसे
यस
सॉल्व?
मिस।
ओके, अरे बेटा इट्स वेरी इजी। ये ब्रैकेट को खोलो और मल्टीप्लाई करो सबको। 36 12 से बताओ कितना होता है, जल्दी मल्टीप्लाई करो, मल्टीप्लाई करो।
Neelam ma'am, can you wind up?
और मल्टीप्लाई। हाँ मैम, ओके मैम, यस मैम, यस मैम। ओके, we'll solve it later on, ठीक है क्लास? Just you need to open this bracket। देखो ऐसे 36 into 12, ठीक है, फिर माइनस 36 into x, फिर 36 into 12, ओके, फिर 36x। सॉल्व करो इसको, ये प्लस और माइनस कैंसिल होगा, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा। अच्छा विल
Yes,
सॉल्व,
miss.
समझा
यस मिस समझी।
है ना?
यस मिस, थैंक यू मिस।
ओके, यस लक्ष्मी,
मिस
लक्ष्मी, यस।
मिस कोई भी इक्वेशन को इजीली कैसे, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को कैसे इजीली समझे?
Yes, the thing is that you need to understand this statement. What I am telling you all since beginning, keywords को उठाओ, keywords को उठाओ, वो क्या बोल रहा है। Everything is hidden in this statement, ठीक है, सब कुछ ये statement में है, आपको ये statement ही समझना है। अभी इसमें कैसे बोला है 36 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम, आपको समझना चाहिए कि स्पीड उसकी कांस्टेंट है, स्पीड उसकी कांस्टेंट है, एंड इट विल बैक इन 8 आवर, मतलब 8 आवर्स में वो जा रहा है एज वेल एज रिटर्न आ रहा है, ये उसका चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है। और ये आपको समझना रहेगा वो 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स में जा रहा है, तो दोनों स्पीड उसकी सेम है, डाउनस्ट्रीम एज वेल एज अपस्ट्रीम। और आउटवर्ड ये तो मेंशन ही किया है, वो स्टिल वाटर है, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है। वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम में से आपको
Yes,
खाली
miss,
की
समझी।
पॉइंट को कैच करना रहता है, की पॉइंट्स को कैच कर लिया, इजीली आपकी इक्वेशन बन जाती है। एंड यस लक्ष्मी,
यस मिस। मिस आप लीनियर इक्वेशन के भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम लेंगे?
हाँ लूंगी ना मैं सब, आज हम ये फिनिश कर देते हैं। एक्चुअली आई नीड टू टेक वन मोर सम, I'll take words problem of linear equation as well as we'll see all the boards problem में, board के question में जो भी words problem है ना, I'll solve every problem.
Okay miss, thank you miss.
Yeah. Okay, so we are winding it today. For today, we'll continue it in our next lecture. ठीक है class? Practice
Thank you, ma'am.
more and more words problem. You will get hold on it very easily. ठीक है? चलो, thanks students for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Students, today you are not attending to lectures because teachers have got the training